Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing it, as I upload videos related to home decor, fashion, lifestyle, health, fitness and DIYs. And in today's video, I will be tackling the home decor and organization problems of my subscribers. And also watch this video till the end, as I am going to announce the giveaway winners at the end of this video. So without a further ado, let's start the video.
So this is the room of Vinita. It's having blue colored walls. Then there is a wall shelf here. Then this is showpiece display area. In furniture they have put this divan, sofa, a table. Then there is a chair also and a small table, and the curtains are of blue and white shade. So we are going to work here on color, wall shelf, then the showpiece display area, the space, and we are going to create a gallery wall here. So as the room is very small, so color should be of light shade like white or any shade of cream. That will make your house look more spacious, also more lively also. So definitely change the color. Then they are having this wall shelf white colored, so either decorate it smartly with books, with some artificial plants. If you can't do that, then it's better to hide them. So for that, just install some curtain rods and get your curtains customized, made according to the size, and just hang them. Curtains are the best way to hide some shelves. Then we have this display area for the showpieces. I would suggest you to paint the boundaries and remove the glass, and then just style it with minimal decor. Add some books, put some minimal decor pieces, and don't clutter it with so many decor pieces. The lesser you will put, the more smart it will look. Then about the furniture, as the room is small, it's better if you can replace your furniture with the sofa or divan cum bed and just remove all the furniture. It's just a suggestion because your room is quite small, and sofa cum bed will fulfill both the roles of a sofa as well as a bed when the guests come over. Or you can remove the table here, because the table is quite a big size, and replace it with the table which is present in your bedroom. So make this room clutter free as much as possible. Then on this wall you can create this gallery wall. Whatever frames you are having, just hang them over here. Now about the another room of Vinita. So this is another room. It's having green walls. Then again the wall shelf is there. Then purple and whitish curtains are there. Then there is a bed and a table and a mirror over there. Then on this end we have a sewing machine, then some drums and a bag, and there is another bed over here. Then there are curtains. So there must be gate or shelves, or there is another gate. Then this is the mirror. So again, change the color of the walls, go for white or any shade of the cream color. And for the wall shelves, same, hang some curtains. Then you need to reorganize the furniture, so put the another part of the bed alongside with this bed and make it a double bed like that, and remove the mirror from there and place the mirror on the foot end of the bed like this, and add some storage cabinet alongside the mirror. I will give the links of some storage cabinets which are quite cheap. Then on that, and just on the side of the mirror you can put all of your drums, and I will show you how can you make a screen to cover all of those drums.
In the corner where you have already put your boxes and drums, in that corner you can create a screen to hide those boxes, and then put those boxes and drums one over another in that area. So how you can create screen? You have to take a refrigerator box, the cardboard box which comes along with the refrigerator. You have to arrange that from somewhere. You can easily get that. So about how to make a screen, I am going to show you with this cardboard box. Actually you can see this is a smaller version of the refrigerator box, as refrigerator box also opens on the upper end. So this opens on the upper end. So now what you have to do, you can get rid of these upper flaps, or you can just paste them together. If you totally want to close all your boxes, if you put that box in the corner, supposedly this is the corner, if I put the box in the corner, now what you have to do, you want this to open like this. If this will open like this, then it will be easy for you to approach those boxes. So what you have to do, you have to cut the box along this side. And not just this side, you have to cut here also. I want to make it like a screen so that I can open it and close it, and for that I have to cut it from the lower side also. From here also I have to cut it. Okay, now after cutting it, now this is my corner where I have to put my box, and I can open this like that. So my boxes will be inside here, and then after making this, what you can do, you can wrap it with the wrapping paper, with the beautiful wrapping paper, so that it looks good there, and just put it there, and inside that you put all your drums and stuff. And on that corner, on the side of the mirror, you have to put that box which you have made from the refrigerator box, and inside that you have to put all your boxes. And on the opposite corner here, you have to put your sewing machine, which is placed right now on the place of the mirror. So you have to place it here, and accordingly, if you will organize your room will look more spacious and organized and clutter free.
So next subscriber is Shikha, and she wants to give a surprise to her husband by redoing her room. So this is the bedroom. That's the entry gate of her bedroom. There is a bed. Then there is another gate over there. That's the gate towards the terrace. Then there is an AC, then a cooler, and then there is an almirah there. Then there is a door towards the washroom. Then there is an empty wall. Then there is another almirah, and there is a door towards the stove. So this is her whole room. So for this area, for this wall just behind the bed, you can definitely try this makeover which I have done in this bedroom. It's very cheap, very easy, and looks very romantic. Then about the curtains, I think they are very dark, so either change your curtains with some lighter shade, or you can hang alternately cream shade curtains in between the brown curtains. Then this almirah, I think you must get rid of this almirah because your room is beautiful. And instead of that almirah, you can create storage here by putting some shelves on this wall, by installing a rod to hang the hangers. Basically, you can create a walk-in closet here, as this area is quite separate from the room. So you can create a walk-in closet like this. You can hang a rod to hang some clothes and put some shelves, or you can put this kind of almirah because you can cover it also. I will give the link in the description box below. So you already have a beautiful cream and reddish shade almirah. Just in front of that, either install some shelves or put that almirah which I have shown earlier, and by that you will have a separate dressing area, and you can separate that by these blackout curtains. Then about this wall, you can create a gallery wall here by putting your trip photographs, your marriage photographs, and create a beautiful gallery wall. Also along with this wall, you can create some low setting where you can sit with your husband, play Ludo, chess, or just chit chat. So next subscriber is Gayatri Mohanty. So she said, I love greenery and lights and rooms, but I don't have false ceiling, and I also don't have many points to connect the fairy lights. Have only 3 points only. So give me some idea. So first of all, I always use LED lights which are battery operated. Actually, so many of you have commented also that how I can hang so many lights without any connection to the electric plug. Actually, these are the battery operated lights, so you can buy them. I will give the link in the description box below. And about the plants, you can add plants as much as possible in your house, but always add plants which are good for your indoor areas. Secondly, if you have enough light, then only you can add the plants. So if you don't have enough light and still want some greenery, then go for artificial plants. I always add artificial plants because I love greenery, and when I don't have enough sunlight in my rooms, I buy artificial plants. I buy artificial leaves. They also give a very positive and beautiful vibe. Obviously, they are not good as the real plants, but still, if you want some greenery, you can buy them. I will give the links in the description box below.
So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope my ideas were useful to you. So if you are going to do any makeover or change your room according to my ideas, then please tag me with your photograph on the Instagram. My Instagram handle is Gitika Vlogs, and if you don't follow me there, then please follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. And now the giveaway winners. So Samruta Mahesh and Shreya Gulati are our giveaway winners. Many congratulations to you girls. I will DM you the Amazon coupon codes on the Instagram. Again, many congratulations, and see you all next time. Till then, bye.